Hi, today I'm reviewing REALME C53 and I'll show you how to add the remove home screen widgets on this device. So first you should hold for a while home screen with your finger and then tap to the widgets icon. So after that you'll see here all of the applications on your device, which widgets you could add. Tap to the calendar one, and to add the widget we should just hold it and drag it to our home screen. If you want to move this widget here on the home screen or between the screens, you should just hold it and drag it. To resize the widget, you should hold it for a while, and after that you could make it bigger or smaller. And to remove it from your home screen, hold it and drag it here to remove icon. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.